So my good friends over at zride or zr-tec.com very generously sent out a couple of these little packages for us to take a look at and for me to tell you guys about the product that they provide. They are a German-based machinery engineering company, and they make something very special for the VS1400, but not just the VS1400, the VS800, the 750, and I believe they also can do it for the 600 as well. So if you like third-party aftermarket parts, accessories, this is a biggie. Let's get it on the bench and let's check it out. Okay, so the guys at zride or zr-tec sent over two of these. They've sent me one of each color, but they do offer a third color. Now let's see which. Let's go with this one first. I know exactly what these are, and I have been so excited to open these. They've been sat here now for about, well, one of the packages has been here for about 2 weeks. This one showed up about 5 days ago now, so really excited to take a look. And this is a solution to something that a lot of us have been questioning. It is an aftermarket part. It is engineered from scratch. I believe it's a patented design. Let's have a look. So, anybody guess yet what it is? Can anybody guess yet? Okay, let's just go into it. So from the top, they just look like poles. You know, they just look like they're metal. And I'm just going to pop one to the side there. There we go. Okay. So ladies and gents, zr-tec have supplied us with a set of fork tubes. And these are single fitted fork tubes. You don't need any nuts, any bolts, nothing whatsoever. They just slide right onto the existing forks. They've got cutouts for the bottom yoke, the bottom triple tree. I'm really hoping you guys are getting all of this. And let's get the other one out. And there's no need to fix them to anything. Like I said, these guys engineer these in Germany. They are machined. I believe that they're pressure fitted. So we have like a cap here, for example, that's been squeezed into the aluminium. We've got inserts on the inside. I'll make sure I get you close-ups of all of these in just a moment. And they've got rubber washers or rubber seats on the inside to stop any scratching. Oh, they're just incredible. Look, I mean, they're fingerprint heaven, of course, but once you polish them up and fit them on the bike. Now, if you don't know what fork covers are, if you've ever seen a motorcycle and it looks like it's got massive front forks, chances are they're riding with fork covers on. So I'm going to open the second package now. I want to see what other color they sent us. But these are going to look beautiful on any bike that's running a stainless steel chrome polished finish on the front end. Oh, I'm so excited. These are absolutely awesome. Let me get out the other package. Okay, and this is package number 2. And I believe they sent over a black set for us to check out as well. So let's get both of these out here. Oh yes. Gloss black. Get a bit of kitchen roll here for a moment. These are not scuffs that you're seeing. This is just markings, I imagine, from the workshop. Fingerprints and whatnot. Yeah, that's all buffing off. I mean, look at that. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. Freaking awesome, man. The fact that they're a single fit, because this section here, that goes between the top yoke, and then this lower section comes down and sits over the top of the fork. Look at them. Oh. I mean, honestly, the machinery is second to none. I mean, the Germans are magic when it comes to machinery work, CNC and engineering in general, so I'd expect nothing less. I mean, it's all pressure fitted. There is no welds here whatsoever. No welding, no adhesive, no glue, not that I can see. I'll double check with zr-tec and see if there is anything else going on here. I think even this top cap, I don't think that's hollow, I think that's solid. But this is all pressure fitted, the seams, and then these clearly have been powder coated black. It's beautiful. I mean, what can I say? Thank you, zr-tec, for sending them over. This is absolutely incredible, all the way from Germany. They do ship worldwide, ladies and gents, so if you're in the States or even further afield, don't be afraid. You can go and get yourself a set of these. I will put a link on the screen right now so that you can go over to their website. But let's go over to the bike and give you a quick example of how they're going to look, because I think that's what you need to see to really, truly appreciate how these things work. So let's go to the bike. So the beautiful thing about these fork covers, ladies and gents, is that you do not need to worry about the triple tree. You can keep the existing triple tree in place. They have been designed specifically for the existing triple tree, which I think is fantastic. Too many companies out there make third-party parts, but they don't tell you that you need to then buy 3 other parts in order to make that one original bit that you wanted work. But for those of you that don't know how this works, if you see, we've got the groove, the cutout here, and we've got a cutout here at the bottom, and it's hollow, okay? So we would drop the front fork down. We would then place this over the triple tree and pass that fork back up through that center hole, putting everything back together as we normally would. And that would end up giving you a much chunkier front end look. And like I said, there's no screw or fixing points. You don't need to worry about screwing them on to anything. The look I really like. I can't wait to fit a set to my bike. There they are, like that. So it really does beef up the front of your motorcycle. It makes it look so chunky. They've got the gloss black powder coat finish, they've got the polished aluminium finish, and they've got matte black as well. So there's 3 different options for you to choose from there. Go on over to the website, check out some of their stuff. The engineering on this is absolutely phenomenal. They're not paying me to tell you to go and buy them. I will only ever recommend things on this channel that I truly believe are deserving of that recommendation. These guys clearly know their stuff, and what else is there to say? Go check them out. I mean, I don't really know how to finish the video. I mean, I am so overwhelmed with the support that Z-Ride have shown and sent these 2 sets of forks out to me. They're not paying me to do this review or unboxing or anything like that, but they did send them to me because they wanted to support the channel, they wanted to support me, and they wanted to give something to you guys. With that said, in the next video of the Z-Ride fork covers, we will be launching a competition so that you can win that exact set of gloss black powder coated fork covers. It's on my bench right now. Wherever you are in the world, if you're the winner, you just send the address that you want them shipped to, and I will send them to you, no questions asked. Z-Ride, you've really hit the nail on the head here, guys. I mean, this solves so many questions that so many people have, and not only that, you've put them at a reasonable price, so thank you for that. If you don't want to wait for the competition, you can go over to the zr-tec website right now. I'll leave a link in the description for you. And if you use the code HAGARMOTO, all in capital letters, you will receive 10% off of your order. That's across the entire website, not just on these fork covers for the 1400, but for the 800, the 750, and I believe they do other bikes as well. So if you've stumbled onto this video searching fork covers, go and check out zr-tec and see what they have to offer. If they don't have something that you require, get in touch with them and they'll try and make it happen for you. With that said, ladies and gents, thank you very much for tuning in. I cannot wait to get these installed on my bike, and it'd be really interesting to find out whether or not they fit with the Preto Moto Triple Tree kit, which I've yet to install, but we'll see. I mean, these go on with the stock Triple Tree kit. I mean, what more could you ask for? Absolutely incredible. Thanks, guys. You take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. All the best.